Hi guys, Veronica here with Joovy, and Joovy recently launched a universal car seat adapter for the Qool Stroller, and that means that there are a ton more car seats that are now compatible with the Qool Stroller, which is awesome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use that universal adapter and how to attach it onto the stroller. If you own the stroller, you're familiar with these seat brackets, and this is how easy this works, guys. So the adapter has the exact same seat brackets you have with your own seat, and you're simply going to click the brackets into the frame. You'll hear that click option. The restraint harness on the adapter should be closest to the handlebar, and that's how you know which way is forward and which one is back. Once you've clicked it in, car seat can go right in, and restraint straps simply go over the car seat, and that's it.